Hello, everyone! Are you ready to hear the secrets of the Underworld Kingdom? Ground lizards, masters of stealth and survival. Ground lizards, often overlooked in the animal kingdom, are fascinating creatures. With a unique set of survival strategies, these reptiles, though often overshadowed by their more flamboyant cousins like tread-dwelling geckos or desert-dwelling iguanas, are truly masters of stealth and adaptation. Here's a closer look at their world. Unlike many lizards that spend their time basking in the sun or climbing trees, ground lizards have developed a lifestyle deeply connected to the earth. They're designed for life closer to the ground, with many species burrowing into the soil to escape predators, regulate body temperature, or hide from the sunset. For example, the European sand lizard Lacerta agilis is a prime example of a ground lizard that thrives in habitats like heathlands and sandy dunes. Its body is streamlined for burrowing, with strong, muscular limbs that allow it to dig quickly when it senses danger. One of the most impressive features of ground lizards is their incredible ability to blend into their surroundings. Many species are covered in colors and patterns that mimic the environment they inhabit, making them almost invisible to predators and prey alike. This camouflage is a crucial defense mechanism against birds of prey, larger mammals, and even human observation. For example, the common green lizard Lacerta, although not a burrowing species, often spends its time on the ground in grasslands and wooded areas. Its green and brown hues help it blend seamlessly into the environment, making it nearly impossible to spot. Some ground lizards, especially those living in arid climates, have evolved to dig burrows or use existing holes in the earth to hide from extreme temperatures and predators. The leopard, gecko, Ubulferus macularius, is an example of a ground-dwelling lizard that spends much of its life hiding in burrows. These burrows provide a cool, moist refuge during the heat of the day, allowing the geckos to escape the intense desert sun. Interestingly, these burrows aren't just for protection. They are also critical for hunting. Many ground lizards, like the skinks, use their burrows to ambush prey, waiting for small insects or even larger creatures to wander into range. Lizards are cold-blooded creatures, meaning they rely on external sources to regulate their body temperature. Ground-dwelling lizards are experts at thermoregulation. They spend significant amounts of time burrowing, shifting between different layers of soil to find an optimal temperature range. For their metabolism, this ability is vital in maintaining the energy required for hunting and reproduction. In many arid environments where the temperature can fluctuate dramatically between day and night ground, lizards must be especially adept at finding the right places to stay warm during cooler nights and cool down during the blistering heat of the day. Ground lizards also exhibit some interesting reproductive behaviors. While many reptiles lay eggs, ground lizards are particularly skilled at selecting safe and ideal locations for laying their eggs. By choosing locations with stable temperatures and low risk of predation, they increase the chances of their offspring surviving. For instance, Timolis skink, Plistodon egregius of the southeastern United States, known for its burrowing habits, lays its eggs in deep underground tunnels. This not only protects the eggs from predators like birds, but also keeps them at a consistent temperature until they hatch. Ground lizards are primarily insectivores, preying on a wide range of small invertebrates, like ants, crickets, and beetles. Some species, like the color lizard, Crotaphetis, are more opportunistic and may also eat small mammals, or even other lizards. Interestingly, ground lizards often use ambush tactics to catch prey. They will sit motionless for long periods, blending in with their surroundings, waiting for an insect or small animal to come too close. When the moment is right, they launch themselves with incredible speed to catch their meal. While ground lizards are usually quiet and elusive, they do have ways of communicating, especially during the mating season. Many species of ground lizards, such as the western fence lizard Saloparus occidentalis, use body postures, head bobs, and even territorial displays to communicate with other lizards. These behaviors help establish dominance and attract mates. In terms of defense, when threatened, some ground lizards will rely on startling behaviors such as puffing up their bodies or flashing bright colors to intimidate predators. If these tactics fail, many lizards, including the common blue-tongued skink, can perform a defensive bite and retreat strategy, often retreating to a burrow or a crevice. Despite their sometimes secretive nature, ground lizards play a vital role in ecosystems. As insectivores, they help control insect populations, preventing overpopulation and the spread of pests. Their burrowing activities also aerate the soil, which can promote plant growth and improve soil health. Moreover, they serve as a food source for larger predators, including birds of prey and mammals, thus supporting the food chain. In this way, they maintain balance in the natural world. While many ground lizards are not immediately threatened, habitat destruction, climate change, and invasive species are major concerns for their populations. As climate change alters the temperature and availability of suitable burrowing habitats, some species may struggle to adapt. Conservation efforts are essential for ensuring that these remarkable creatures continue to thrive. Preserving their natural habitats, monitoring populations, and mitigating the effects of climate change will be crucial for the survival of ground-dwelling lizards. Ground lizards may not have the same flair as their more flamboyant relatives, but they are truly unique and resilient creatures. Through their clever adaptations to the ground, stealthy survival tactics, and crucial role in ecosystems, they've carved out a niche in nature that few other reptiles can match. Next time you see a ground lizard, take a moment to appreciate the quiet ingenuity behind its existence. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. That way, you'll be the first to know when we upload new content. You can also help us reach more people by sharing this video with your friends and family. Your support means the world to us. And don't forget to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video. Take care.